Hi, I'm Dr. Ting Chee Ming from the School of Information Technology, Monash University, Malaysia. I'm the course coordinator for the Master of Artificial Intelligence programs. So I will give a short briefing of this course. So as you know, the AI professionals now are highly sorted. So the aim of this program is to train specialists, especially in the forefronts of AI. This course will empower you to design, develop, and operate AI system with application in various areas. So the core unit of this program will explore a variety of topics, such as the fundamental topics like deep learning, machine learning, and as well as a lot of applications of AI like natural language processing, computer interactions, and also the ethical aspect of the AI. Okay? So the duration for this course is 1.5 to 2 years for full-time and 3 to 4 years for part-time students. So the type of this course is a coursework. So we have two intakes per year. One is in February, another is in July. The total credit point you need to complete for this course is the 96. So 2 years for full-time and 4 years for part-time. So one unit or subjects is equivalent to 6 credit points. So one semester we have 4 units, which is equivalent to 24 credit points. So 1 year there will be 2 semesters, so there will be 48 credit points per year. So in order for graduation, the student need to obtain 96 credit points. Okay? Assumption will be given for the 4 foundational units, depending on the subject you already taken in your first degree. So there will be 2 entry points to this course. So one is for the IT background, and another is for the student with a non-IT background. Okay. This is the course structures. So there will be a part A, which is the foundational part, so which consists of 4 foundational units. And a student from a non-IT background has to complete this all 4 foundational units. Of course, as I mentioned just now, assumption will be given to student with already did some equivalent subjects. So part B is the master's core, and then part C is the advanced practice. So in advanced practice, student can choose between 2 options. One is the industrial experience projects, or either you can do a master thesis research. Okay. So in part A for the foundational units, is intended to provide an orientation to the AI field at a graduate levels, especially for students who are not from an IT background. So there are 4 foundational units. First is Introduction to Databases and Algorithms and Programming Foundation in Python, because many of our more advanced unit will use Python as the main programming language. Okay? And then we have an Introduction to Computer Architectures and Networks. Many of these fundamental areas in machine learning, AI, need maths and statistics. So we have a mathematical foundation for data science and AI, so which can build up your mathematical and statistical foundations for more advanced AI units. So the part B consists of the units related to the core master's studies, which will focus on the fundamentals, core knowledge, as well as the different application in AIs. So such as this part will cover units like fundamentals of artificial intelligence and project management, how to manage projects in AI, like system development. Okay, so and IT research methods, which to train you a different the skill in doing a research in IT related field. Okay, so next is the machine learning and deep learning, and we also have a modeling for discrete optimizations, as well as the application in AI, such as the multi-agent systems and collective behaviors, natural language processing, and malicious AI. So in part C, which is the advanced practice, In this part, we'll focus on the professional or scholarly work that can contribute to the professional development in AI. So there are two options. One is the industrial experience studio projects. Another is the research pathway. Okay, so both of these two options, you have to do the professional practice. But for the industrial experience projects, student will take the industrial experience studio projects. So in this, student will work in a groups of 3 to 4 and work on a industrial driven problem or work on a problem given by a industrial. Okay, so which involve more real world problems, and the group of students will be supervised or advised by our industrial partners. For the research pathway, this is a more on an individual projects. A student need to complete the master thesis part 1, part 2, and master thesis final. So for this master thesis, a student will be supervised by an academics from our school doing a particular research projects where the students choose a particular topic or supervisors on a research topic they are interested in. Okay, so they can contact the supervisors and discuss a particular research topic which they like, and then they will be closely supervised by the supervisors throughout until the completion of the master thesis. Okay. Eligibility for the research pathway, student need to complete at least 24 points of the level 5 non-foundational units with an overall average of 75% across all these non-foundational units. For students who are intended to do like a PhD degree, so research pathway is an option for you. For students who would like to get a job upon graduation in the industrial, so we recommend you to do the experience studios project. So this is the course map for non-IT degree entry. So you can see here we have four rows. So each row is one semester. So we have 2 semester per year, the February semester and July semester. The February semester, July semester for the second year. And in one semester, student will complete 4 units or subjects. Okay, and in total for 1 year, student will complete 6 units per year. Okay, you can see the white blocks here are the 4 foundational units, and the light blue box here are the core masters units the student need to complete. So this is for the industrial experience streams. So at the last semester, student will do his industrial experience projects plus the IT professional practice. Okay, so the same goes for the research stream. So student need to complete the 4 foundational units plus the core units. And starting from third semester, student will start its master thesis part 1 and continue the master thesis part 2 and the final thesis in the last semester. For IT degree entries, I mean for a student with IT background in the first degree, so he can skip all the 4 foundational units subject to the assessment by the school, whether you have done a particular units during your undergraduate degree. So you can see here, so without the white blocks, which is the foundational units, so you can complete within 3 semesters or 1.5 years for both the industrial and the research streams. So basically, the entire course, the MAI course will cover the entire AI life cycle, starting from the data collections, data acquisitions, and how to build AI models and deploy, execute this AI model for various applications, as well as you'll be trained how to manage the entire projects and how to optimize the AI models. And you no longer be a user for AI solution, but an enabler or designer of AI solutions. Okay, which upon graduation you should be able to conceptualize, model, design, develop, and deploy AI solutions for different type of applications. So the career path for this course is could be AI engineers, so where you build, test, and deploy AI models, AI data analysts, and big data engineers. So like a business intelligence developers, you can be a data scientist. You can use the data to develop solutions, and machine learning engineer as well as like you can work in others areas of a different field, like for medical field as a research scientist. So there will be a opportunity for exchange or transfer to Monash, Australia, or other campuses. First is to exchange to the MUA, which we call the Global Inter-Campus Program. So you can exchange to other campuses, Monash campuses around the world. Okay. Another is to transfer to the Australia campus directly. So for this exchange, you can exchange to Monash, Australia for 1 semester only, but you are still Malaysian campus students and pay Malaysian campus fee, but will complete the course in Monash, Malaysia. But you can start applying for this in the first semester and go, for example, go in the second semester. So the entry requirements for this, you have to complete 18 credit points with a minimum RAM of 60 in order for you to be eligible to apply for this global inter-campus program. You can also choose to transfer the Monash, Australia, which means you will be transferred permanently to Monash, Australia campus and be a Monash, Australia student, and you start paying Australia campus fee, and you complete the course in Monash, Australia, and you can only apply after completing at least 1 semester. So the entry requirement is completion of 24 credit points plus a minimum RAM of 60%. This program has obtained the accreditations from provisional accreditations from the Australian Computer Society and the Malaysian Qualification Agency, MQA. And I want to highlight that there's an undifferentiable degree between Monash, Australia campus and the Malaysian campus. So we apply the same entry standards to students. All the teaching and assessment materials are the same as the Australian main campus. And we also comply with the local regulations as imposed by the MQA. You could also have the opportunity to participate in external competitions, industrial engagement, and leadership activities, which are organized regularly in the campus throughout the years. So between the campus of Malaysia, Australia, so we conduct collaborative teaching, especially, for example, we have a joint design of the subject and unit, revision of the syllabus, and also the joint design, sometimes cross-marking of the assignment and the final exam between 2 campuses. So here in the Monash, Malaysia campus, so we have labs and facilities to support the teaching and learning of the Master of AI programs, such as we are equipped with robotic research facilities in our sci-fi AI labs. Our campus is also equipped with a high-performance computing platform, which enables students to do research, especially which involve a heavy computational or training of large machine learning models. Many of our academics are actually active researchers in various research area fields of AI, such as the data science and AI knowledge graph, and also the cybersecurity and generative models, language processing, and also in human-centered computing like digital health and also biomedical imaging and signals. So this is important, especially for a postgraduate program like Master of AI. A strong academics team with a solid research expertise is important, especially in supervising master's thesis students and also in teaching units which involve the forefront knowledge of the AI. Okay, so this is my briefing. Thank you.